Hi, my name is Fidel Jr., your student nurse, and for today's video, I will be assisting patients with deep breathing and controlled coughing. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Hi, good morning. My name is Fidel, and I will be your student nurse for today. May I know your name, sir?
Hi, Andre.
Alright, Sir Andre. For today, I will be assisting you for your deep breathing and controlled coughing. Would that be okay?
Alright.
Alright. So first, we have to put you in your sitting position. Would it be okay? Please sit down.
Okay.
Alright, please do sit down. This will help you to clear out your lungs, alright? But you have to follow what I have to say. Is it okay?
Okay.
Alright, so first we have to breathe in and out like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Simple as that, alright? So we have to breathe in and breathe out. Next, breathe in and breathe out. Alright, lastly, breathe in. You're doing good. And breathe out. So this time we're gonna have to do it slower, okay? We have to breathe in and hold it for like 3 seconds, and then you have to breathe out like this. Breathe in and then breathe out, okay? So breathe in and breathe out. You're doing good, but we're gonna have to do it slower, okay? Breathe in and breathe out. Alright, you're doing good, sir. Lastly, please breathe in and breathe out. Sir, you're doing good, and I hope that will help you with your breathing exercises, but we're not finished yet. I just want to teach you as well to your controlled coughing, and before we start with that, you're gonna be you have to put pills, okay? And then you have to follow what I have to say again, of course. So basically, you have to do the same thing as you did before, but you have to cough 2 times after you hold your breath, alright? So you're gonna be doing breathe in and then cough 3 times like this. Breathe in and then cough. You got it? Alright, so you have to breathe in, sir, and cough. Again, breathe in and cough. Alright, you did great, sir. I hope that will help you with your breathing and also with your coughing as well. Have you learned something today, sir?
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much for your time, sir. You can rest again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
After doing the procedure, documentation is important for the client's response.